As Hot Wheels the craving for icy treats,
The demand for home and commercial snow cone makers is skyrocketing. Whether for parties, small businesses, or family fun,
today's top snow cone machines offer speed, ease of use, and vibrant results.
in this guide, we evaluate each model based on shave quality, motor power, ease of cleaning, design, and value,
Ensuring you get cool treats
without breaking the bank.
Little Snowy Max
Snow Cone Machine, Premium Shaved Ice Maker. The Snowy Little Snowy Max is a fan favorite among home users for its speed and premium shaved ice quality. Designed for countertop convenience, this compact powerhouse produces soft, fluffy ice in under 5 seconds per serving. It features a robust high-speed motor and stainless steel blade that easily handles standard ice cubes. No need for specialty molds.
List number
Vevor 110-volt commercial ice crusher, 661 pounds, big dual-blade electric snow cone machine built for high-volume use. The Vevor 110-volt commercial snow cone machine is a beast that shaves through 661 pounds of ice per hour. Its dual stainless steel blades deliver fast, consistent results, ideal for food trucks, concession stands, or large events. The 300-watt motor is ETL approved for safety and efficiency. With an aluminum alloy base and ergonomic handle, the unit balances durability with ease of operation.
List number Cuisinart Snow Cone Machine
Home shaved ice maker with reusable paper cones. The Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker strikes a great balance between fun and functionality. This home use model is designed to deliver crunchy shaved ice in seconds and includes reusable paper cones for an authentic touch. Compact and colorful, it's perfect for kids' birthday parties, summer afternoons, or casual treats.
List number This second mention of the
Vevor 110-volt commercial ice crusher emphasizes its industrial-level reliability. Dual stainless steel blades ensure rapid output without clogging, while the high-powered motor delivers consistent texture for hours of operation. With 661 pounds per hour capacity, it's one of the most efficient options on the market. Users praise its wide hopper design and sturdy build, which stands up to frequent use. Whether you're serving 100 cones at a festival, Back again, the Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker deserves extra love for its user-friendliness and visual appeal. Its bright design fits perfectly on a kitchen counter or picnic table. The machine's simple operation, just add ice and press down, makes it easy for kids to use under supervision. It's small but surprisingly powerful, turning out shaved ice that holds syrup well without melting too fast.
A fantastic choice for families, budget shoppers, and casual users.